Hello everyone! I'm Sofia Kazakova, PR Manager of Cellframe Network, and I'm here to share the latest news from our blockchain for June. Probably the most anticipated event this month was the official release of Cellframe Wallet. The wallet is now available for download. Cellframe Wallet is a convenient and lightweight app with 3 modes: local, remote, and ultralight. Choose the one that suits you best. By the way, no more downloading gigabytes of data. You no longer need to run a full node. Just connect to a remote public or your own node and enjoy all the features with minimal device load. Support for the Cellframe dashboard is being discontinued. Switch to the new app as soon as possible to get all the updates and new features. You can download Cellframe Wallet now on cellframe.net. Before launching the app, we made several important improvements. Cellframe Wallet now has a convenient export-import system with support for both Android and iOS. It allows quick and secure wallet transfer between devices and creation of backups. To increase transparency, we developed a universal transaction confirmation model that provides detailed and clear information about every operation. The display of orders on the DEX was fixed. Long addresses are now automatically shortened to a user-friendly format, minimizing copy errors and improving usability. On Ubuntu, a crash issue was resolved, ensuring the wallet launches and runs stably. An auto-update mechanism was added. The app now checks for new version by itself and notifies the user. In June, we continued actively improving Cellframe's web services. Cellframe Shop now supports adding options to products during purchase. UX was improved. Also, multi-currency price display was added, making shopping more convenient for users from different countries. The staking site statistics table was enhanced. The block showing data for each token now displays correctly on mobile devices, where it was previously hidden. Visual formatting of numbers in statistics was improved as well. On the main Cellframe site, layout and block improvements for the intro page were completed, and the cookie policy was updated with translations into multiple languages. Visual tweaks were made for smoother, more friendly interface operation. For the new Cellframe auction site, layouts and responsive components were developed. The site now integrates Cellframe Wallet for wallet connections and has an admin panel for managing applications and users. Refactoring of the CFScan Explorer is underway to improve blockchain data performance and usability. A secure encrypted communication channel was implemented in Cellframe Node for working with the wallet slide mode, ensuring safe data exchange between client and node. An issue with validator key revocation was fixed. Now mToken lock transactions are processed correctly, and invalidation logic is restored. The service payment model was refactored, making it more reliable. Voting transactions were fixed. Votes are now counted properly and transactions verified without errors. Order confirmation issues on the exchange were resolved. In June, the system was created that automatically pushes stuck transactions as soon as the network recovers. This means your operations now proceed faster and more reliable. Another good news is that we opened a repository with a GNI library, making it easy for any developer to access and use it in their projects. In summary, Python developers focused their efforts on adapting the optimized transaction queue for multi-wallets, updating the Explorer, creating auction functionality, and solving key system tasks. In the first month of summer, our technical writers worked on updating the main documentation for Cellframe projects. Internal documentations for the auction site were created. Cellframe SDK translations into several languages were progressed, and detailed documentation for DApp and Cellframe SDK was prepared. All materials are actively being refined and will be published soon. You can read all materials about our project in the Cellframe wiki. Links are in the video description. In June, we improved our next-gen decentralized VPN, kelvpn. In the mobile, desktop and CLI versions, the loading screen was updated. Now, if problems occur during startup, you can immediately contact support via Telegram bot and send system logs. The FAQ tab was enhanced. The VPN router's web control panel also improved. The selected server display now updates automatically. The system tracks changes and always shows current data without delays or manual refresh. In June, the nodesys team launched a multilingual version of the factory. The website thefactory.app is now available in English and Russian. Developers started creating the NIS token staking site, scheduled for release in August. The factory expanded its collaboration network. Many partnerships were concluded in June. On June 5th, the team participated in the Bill Agro 2025 exhibition with leading Eastern European agricultural manufacturers. From June 17 to 20, they took part in the International TIBO Digital Expo 25 exhibition. Andriy Khomychonok spoke on the panel discussion Industry 4.0 – Innovations in the Manufacturing Sector about the future of decentralized production. The dotflat project continues to actively develop, improving the product and preparing for new large-scale steps. Currently, dotflat CEO Dmitry Nagornych is planning meetings with potential partners, including a venture funds manager who personally awarded the project a prize at the blockchain forum. Quantum EVM is entering the final stretch. The launch and exchange listing are ahead, event the team has been preparing for months and aims to execute at the highest level. A key step on the path is a partnership with QEVM.org. The organization will audit Cellframe and QEVM cryptography and issue an official post-quantum security certificate. This is a crucial milestone for the quantum-secure blockchain field, as validated solutions like this are currently lacking on the market. Meanwhile, the testnet launch is underway. Soon nodes, wallets, Explorer, Web3 libraries, and the test the app will be available. Join and test them. This will help ensure a flawless mainnet launch. Also, Ian Smith, the founder of the project, gave a speech at the ETH Cluj conference in Romania. The topic of the speech was Web3 migration to quantum security. We hope that this speech will become an important milestone of rethinking the importance of post-quantum cryptography. Voting of the fate of CPUNK is complete, and the result speaks for itself. 100% of participants supported moving the token to its own parachain on the Cellframe network. Now the team is focused on preparing for the mainnet launch and organizing a party in Istanbul on July 12, where you'll find not only celebration but also a special guest, Cellframe CEO Dmitry Gerasimov aka Dr. Napier, who will perform as DJ and set the rhythm for a true cyberpunk night. We updated the location. Now it's an even more stylish and spacious yacht with a stunning view of night Istanbul, a city at the crossroads of cultures and technologies, perfect for post-quantum celebration. To keep the atmosphere relaxed and festive, a buffet and drinks will be available all night. Check the CPUNK chat to discuss details and don't miss your chance to join the most atmospheric event of the summer. Subscribe to the social networks of the projects in our ecosystem to be the first to learn about the most important events. All links are in the video description. In June, the Cellframe team announced the start of cooperation with the Shifr project, which is developing its own blockchain-based messenger. It's perfect for corporate communication but can also be used as a public app. At the first stage, Shifr's team will integrate Cellframe algorithms into the app's encryption-related processes to strengthen hardware-level protection. We are also discussing plans and considering launching a separate public parachain for Shifr within the Cellframe ecosystem. Dmitry Gerasimov gave a detailed interview at Blockchain Forum 2025, sharing the main development directions of our ecosystem. He also gave an interview about the Web3 industry development on the popular blogger Alex White's channel. For newcomers' convenience, we created a special intro page to guide everyone just starting to explore our project. We ran a large-scale advertising campaign reaching about 500,000 people across platforms like X, Telegram, VK, and YouTube. We completed a pitch deck for startups to help them better understand and present our capabilities. As part of expanding the network, we started sending notes, actively communicating with recipients, and providing feedback. To attract new participants and make onboarding more engaging, we held a quest activity that received excellent feedback. Additionally, we provided expert commentary from our developer for an industry blog. Follow updates on our social networks and stay informed about all major events. Remember, the future belongs to Cellframe Network.